'Tis the season for holiday shopping, and it's time to buy those gifts for your friends and your family and your coworkers and even those four-legged friends. But don't end up on the TPG naughty list this year by making sure you're earning points and miles on all of your holiday purchases. All right, Hoot, get out of here. Rule number 1, don't use a debit card. It's a cardinal sin in the points and miles world. By using a debit card instead of a rewards earning credit card, you're missing out on valuable points and miles, which can be used toward future free travel. Think about it. You can buy presents for everyone you know, or you can buy presents for everyone you know and get a trip out of it. Look at points and miles like money. They're an unregulated currency that you can be raking up on all of your holiday purchases. So move that debit card to the back of your sock drawer. Rule number 2, use an online shopping portal. Many people don't know this, but when it comes to online shopping, it's so important to never ever go directly through a retailer's website. Instead, go to an airline or credit card issuer's shopping portal. There, you can search through hundreds of brands that you know and love and earn points and miles for every dollar you spend on that purchase. Plus, around the holidays, many portals offer elevated earning rates, so you can get even more bang for your buck. If you don't know where to start, think about if you're loyal to any one airline or credit card issuer in particular. If so, go directly to that portal and go crazy. And if you're indifferent about what kind of points or miles you're earning, consider an aggregator like cashbackmonitor.com, which shows you side by side the earning rates at all the major retailers. If you need help finding links, head to thepointsguy.com/online shopping portals. Rule number 3, check Amex offers, which essentially mean you can earn bonus points or get extra savings at select retailers. Never say no to bonus points. A few more TPG tricks of the trade. Use the right credit card. There are some cool opportunities if you have a credit card that offers rotating bonus categories, like the Chase Freedom card or the Discover It. This holiday season, both are offering some unique opportunities to earn 5% back, such as purchases made at wholesale clubs, department stores, Amazon, and when using Chase Pay. And finally, an easy way to earn yourself a spot on the TPG naughty list this season is to make purchases using your points through a shopping portal. So even if you see that crock pot and it looks so appealing and you want to redeem your points for that crock pot, don't even think about it. A quick reminder, those points and miles can be used to take you on free trips around the world. You can be relaxing on the beach in the Maldives, or climbing the mountains in the Andes, or skiing in a mall in Dubai. And besides, don't you already have a crock pot? Instead, I want you to redeem them for travel to get their maximum value. That's how you get on the TPG nice list. So if you want to learn more about how to maximize rewards for holiday purchases, be sure to visit thepointsguy.com and subscribe to our channel on YouTube.